Hi guys, this is Nao from Tokyo.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
This is my Nakokano. Yes, a friend of
Sandie.
Yes.
And she's going to cook for me today and we're taking you along so
Yes.
you can see what the dish looks like. I am so hungry. How long will it take?
Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour? I can survive. Gamate.
Tomorrow.
Gamate. Alright, so let's go.
Let's
Alright,
go.
guys.
Bye.
This is a typical Japanese dish.
Normally we use meat.
Oh, you use like
Yes,
pork?
Meat pork.
Okay.
Yes. Not typical, but I like. Seasoning.
The seasoning.
Okay. This one is 1 spoon. Put this one. Yes.
1 spoon.
Yes. Sesame seed.
Is this okay?
Yes,
Daijoubu?
okay.
Okay. 1.
So
Miso.
Miso is a half of the spoon.
Half.
Yes, half.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
And some soju.
Soyu.
1 spoon.
Is it open?
Yes.
So good.
Okay.
Why do you do it in the bag? Okay.
Yes, because this is very convenient to put the refrigerator.
Oh,
Yes.
so
Soか。すごい。Like this. And very
It
easy.
smells so good. Oh. Oh, and then you put it.
Yes, put this one. Just put the nira. Vegetable called nira.
Okay. Nira.
Nira. The Sandie ね。カットして。
ありがとう。Look at me try to be a professional.
Put the bag. This one is
Cabbage.
cabbage now is a season. The spring is a very good to taste.
For cabbage?
Yes. And wash it.
Oh, wash?
Yes.
Okay.
And look at this. Yes. Lots of the vegetable.
I love it.
Okay. じゃあ入れます。
Shake!
Put the seasoning.
Okay.
塩麹.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
And soft.
Yes. Like so?
Yes, like so. The last is the dish is a banana.
Okay.
Banana is inside is a harumaki, a spring roll.
Yes.
This is spring roll paper. Yes. Yes. 今日はこれ6にしてこれ4つにしようか。巻きます。
Oh, so we're only putting avocado inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
It becomes
Like a paste.
it's a paste.
So at the end of it, you put
Yes,
the flour.
this
Does
one.
that helps to hold it together?
Yeah. Next is a dessert.
Oh, cinnamon, banana, and honey.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
And put some gas. Medium.
Oh yeah.
Usually Jamaica, what kind of oil do you use?
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Yeah, we also use coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Yeah, our coconut oil is very good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a natural oil and it's very like it smells so nice. Yeah. Oh, go Minnie.
美味しそう。
Ah,
ターンするよ。じゃじゃん。
oishiso.
そう。Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Yes.
Smells good. Okay.
Yes. And
Wow. So,
シュリンプもいいね。
hi.
A lot of vegetable.
Yeah, arigato.
Yay!
It's a party.
Party.
Today's recipe, we're all finished now. Thank you so much. It looks so good.
Oh, thank you.
美味しそう。
楽しかった。Yay!
Oh.
And this one. The seasoning is Japanese flavor. 上手。I like vegetable.
You do? Me too. Okay, is this okay?
Okay, and
Alright.
we'll turn this one. Yes. And turn this one.
Okay.
This one. Okay. You eat.どっちから行く？Which is the side?
There's something we do in Jamaica, like to decide which side.
Yeah.
You go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch
Ah.
the puppy by his toe. If you never let him go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Decide. Yo, you do that in Japan too?
Yes.
What do you say?
どちらにしようかな。こっちだ。同じ。じゃ
Ah!
あこっち。
There's no way to be cute. I eat this. We're having the spring roll with banana.
Yes.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. Orange. How it is? And the banana is still soft.
Yes.
It's not hard.
わかんない。
Okay guys, thank you so much for joining us today, and thanks to Nao for being on the channel and showing us how to cook some delicious Japanese food.
Thank you. I enjoy with you.
I enjoyed it too. So okay, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post new videos. See you next time. Bye. Other than the ancestors, like what else do you do to cover yourself? And by covering, I mean to protect yourself so that evil spirits and those things don't affect you.
We usually, I don't have, for example, once when I was a long time ago, I have a friend from Italy, and he said that he asked, I have a religion, and I said no, and he said that then what he going to believe when I have a hard time?
Yes.
So also, it's a very difficult question because when I had time, I usually don't pray for God.
Yeah.
Maybe believe only myself.